bathroom remodel. Look at the mold down there. It's been leaking around the base for quite a while. Put it in like 30, 40 years ago. Gonna replace it. Got the doors out, got the walls off, and looks like most of the water's been coming down that wall from that shower head. That's pretty wet over there. This is pretty wet right here. The insulation behind this wall. Yeah, this is definitely needing done. Coming through there, plus in this corner, you can see the water's been coming out of there. We got some black mold going on. I'll have to fix that up. Saturday, January 9th. Trying to get the base out. I got most of it broken out, but I put it in there good with lots of cement. So I need to chip all that cement away, find the drain. Hey, Monday, 12/12/26. I'm down to the drain using pure sledgehammer power, breaker bar power. Woo! Shower. I've painted over the mold and removed all I can with some good mold paint. Starting to put the insulation back in. Shower head, bathroom drain, tub. The connectors kind of right of the toilet. And this wall, I'm not going to put any insulation in it. Didn't have any before. So we're filling that gap with some of this foam, so I don't have to put so much caulk in there. Also got to spray some gap filler in there, but it's coming. Got the sheetrock, got the hole for the shower head, and I'll step back. Got some sheetrock on there. Anyway, it's April 24th, 2026. Just remodeling this bathroom. This stuff could be dangerous. You ever use that? I got a big gap up there I need to fill. Putting on some rubber gloves. Oh my goodness. I don't know if this is good. April 25th. Putting some of this yellow sticky tape on here. Getting ready to mud it. Let's go. Night, the shower is done. I just put the final sanding on the texture around the wall, the drywall, and I I still need to texture it, but had a little patch there I needed to do. But it's coming. I'm going to pull the carpet up next. May 2nd, 2026. I'm at the painting stage. I just got a white with a little brown and black mixed in with it. Rock mix suggested it. You can tell the difference right there. The old paint looks a little brown, but it was white. Anyway. Okay, it's May 4th, 2026. I got the second coat of paint on. Got the ceiling back in, took all the blue ID. I've got all the baseboards cut to size and painted. So that's the next step, is put the baseboard on. Off. Got the fan replaced that Jason gave me. Works pretty good. Put the heater back in. Got the ceiling put back in and all the tape put off, so floor's next. May 6th, 2016. Starting to put the floor down. I just got 3 rows. Took me like 2 hours, but hopefully the next 3 will go faster. On the floor and I hit my head. Ouch. Oh, that's a good cut. And I hit it on that toilet thing. And I got 1 cut on the head, but I got the floor in. Looks pretty good. Back up here. Next step is the molding along the bottom, and I can put the toilet back in. I don't want to work molding around the back of the toilet. Anyway, that's all for today. May 9th, got the baseboards in. I put some drywall around the cracks that are in it. Got all the fixtures up. Everything's done except I need to paint around the baseboard one more time and put a toilet in. That'd be nice. I made a little progress today. First time I put the toilet down, it was leaking across the bottom. The flange is deeper than the floor, so I had to put on one of these. Yeah, I had to put on one of these, and that worked really good so far. I've flushed it about 10 times, no leaks yet. Anyway, I'll try it for a while before we button things up completely. Come along. May 15th, 2026. I started this project early January. Remodeled the bathroom, new faucet, the sink's the same, cabinets are all the same, light fixtures are the same. We've got a new floor, cleaned the heater vent, took it out and cleaned it. Got a new fan put in there, new motor and fan blade. We got rebuilt the toilet, new floor, and new shower. Anyway, glad that project's done.